The mystery of the Dogon's enchanted drum. In the vast, rocky cliffs of Mali, overlooking sprawling plains and villages nestled in their shadow, lived a curious young Dogon boy named Kofi. His village was known for its ancient wisdom, vibrant traditions, and deep understanding of the stars and heavens. However, what fascinated Kofi most was the legend of the Enchanted Drum, a magical instrument said to bring peace, joy, and balance wherever its rhythms reached. Every evening, under the velvet sky sprinkled with bright stars, Kofi listened intently to elders who shared tales of bravery, kindness, and ancient wisdom. Among these stories, the Enchanted Drum held a special place. Villagers said the drum was a powerful symbol of harmony and joy, connecting everyone with its captivating rhythms. Kofi dreamed of one day witnessing its magic firsthand. One quiet evening, beneath a silvery crescent moon, Kofi overheard worried whispers among the village elders. The beloved enchanted drum had suddenly vanished, and without its comforting beats, the community feared losing the precious harmony and joy it provided. The elders were troubled, unsure how to restore their cherished instrument. Kofi felt a surge of determination rising in his chest. He knew he had to help. At first light, Kofi set out alone on a daring journey. Guided only by courage and the soft glow of morning sun, he climbed steep cliffs and traversed winding paths. His first encounter was with a wise, talking chameleon named Banta, whose changing colors mirrored the vibrant landscapes. Young Kofi, why journey alone on such dangerous paths? Banta asked, his eyes reflecting the bright sun. Our village needs help, Kofi explained earnestly. The enchanted drum has vanished. Without it, we risk losing our harmony and happiness. Banta nodded thoughtfully. The drum is powerful indeed, but remember, its true strength comes from generosity. Keep this wisdom close as you continue. With that, Banta disappeared into the foliage. Feeling encouraged, Kofi continued onward. Soon, he approached a gentle river flowing smoothly beneath giant baobab trees. Suddenly, the river began to shimmer, and from the sparkling waters emerged a playful river spirit named Jelani. Brave Kofi, you seek the enchanted drum, Jelani asked mischievously. Many have sought its power, but do you understand its real magic? I think so, Kofi replied earnestly. It's about harmony and sharing happiness with everyone, right? Jelani smiled, pleased by Kofi's wisdom. Exactly. Continue with compassion and your journey will succeed. With renewed determination, Kofi thanked Jelani and traveled onward, eventually reaching a quiet clearing beneath an enormous baobab tree. There, an elderly storyteller named Sekou awaited, his eyes bright with understanding. I have been expecting you, Sekou spoke softly, but you must know something important. Only a selfless heart can bring forth the true rhythms of the enchanted drum. Remember, its strength lies in generosity, not power. Kofi nodded solemnly, absorbing the storyteller's words deeply. Just beyond the clearing, hidden behind thick branches, Kofi finally discovered the enchanted drum, its surface glowing gently in the soft daylight. But standing before it was a strong warrior named Adama, his face stern with ambition. Step away, boy, Adama commanded fiercely. This drum will give me the strength and glory I deserve. I shall rule above all others. Kofi paused, his heart pounding with urgency. Yet he remembered the wisdom shared by Banta, Jelani, and Sekou. Bravely stepping forward, he calmly addressed Adama. Adama, true strength and glory come not from power over others, but from kindness and generosity. Kofi spoke sincerely. The enchanted drum's magic is in its rhythm of joy and harmony. Its purpose is to unite, not to dominate. As Kofi's gentle yet powerful words resonated through the clearing, the enchanted drum began to glow even brighter, vibrating warmly with energy. Adama felt a wave of understanding and remorse wash over him. Lowering his head humbly, he stepped back, recognizing Kofi's genuine wisdom. Together, they returned to the village with the drum, welcomed joyfully by the villagers. As Kofi gently played the enchanted drum, its magical rhythm spread happiness and harmony throughout the village, restoring unity among the people. From that day onward, the villagers celebrated Kofi's bravery and kindness, forever cherishing the lesson he taught them, that true strength is found in